Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money online by selling stock photos. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Are you a talented photographer looking for ways to make money by selling your photos online? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to get started and give you some tips on taking and pricing your photos to ensure you get the most out of your efforts. First, let's take a look at what you need to get started. To make money online by selling stock photos, you'll need a good digital camera, basic photography equipment like tripods, diffusers, and reflectors to enhance the quality of your photos, and an account with one or more stock photo websites. Next, we'll talk about how to find the best stock photo websites to sell your photos on. There are a number of different stock photo websites that you can sell your photos on, and it's important to choose the right one, or ones, for you. Consider the commission structure of each site. Some sites take a larger cut of each sale than others, and whether or not they offer exclusive contracts. You'll also want to think about the types of photos that each site is looking for. Some sites specialize in certain genres or subjects matter more than others. Do your research and pick the site, or sites, that are right for you. To take great stock photos that sell, there are a few things you can do. Use natural light whenever possible. Pay attention to composition and framing. Keep it simple. Avoid clutter and busy backgrounds. Shoot a variety of subjects and genres. And edit your photos carefully before submitting them to stock photo websites. In general, photos that are well composed, well lit, and have a clean background tend to sell well as stock photos. But there is no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to what type of photo sells best. It depends on what kind of photos the stock photo websites you're selling on are looking for, as well as what's popular in the broader market at the moment. That said, some types of photos that tend to do well as stock photos include landscapes, cityscapes, lifestyle shots, and close-ups of objects or textures. When it comes to pricing your stock photos, there are a few things to take into account. Think about the time and effort you put into taking the photo, the size of the photo, and what the market is willing to pay for similar photos. It's important to start low and then raise your prices over time. This will help you build up a reputation as a reliable seller of quality stock photos. Additionally, it's important to keep in mind that stock photo websites are continually updated, and therefore, it's important to keep uploading new and diverse images to keep your portfolio fresh. And finally, don't be discouraged if your photos don't sell right away. It takes time and effort to grow your stock photo business. Remember, making money online by selling stock photos is a great way to make some extra cash, and it's not as difficult as you might think. By following these tips and doing your research, you can start earning money from your photography skills. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com, for more information on how to make money online.